my beautiful sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with 2 E's, and आज की video is going to be a fashion haul from Amazon, fashion and beauty. So the thing is, I made a fashion haul from Amazon I don't know how many months ago and a lot of people loved it. In fact, मुझे भी उस haul की चीज़ें अभी तक पसंद है, so I thought let's try out something new from Amazon because I genuinely feel Amazon में काफ़ी अच्छी fashion category है. Also उनकी Prime Day sale चल रही है from 26. So yeah, so ये सारे items और भी better discounts पे available हो सकते हैं. In case you're watching my video after the Prime Day sale, don't worry, मैंने भी ये सारी shopping Prime Day sales में से नहीं करी थी, तो yeah, it's pretty affordable. I don't think so anything costs above 500. I think the lowest is something for 199. So yeah, it's gonna be very affordable and very fashionable as well. Also, if you're watching my face for the very first time, hit the red button to join the Sunflower Squad. इस बार का shout out I'll give at the end. So yeah, now without wasting any more time, let's just start with the video. So पहला item is pretty evident क्या है. It's this beautiful tie-dye top. It's almost like a crop top, I feel. It's cotton lycra mix, काफी comfortable material है. I genuinely love the red and pink का combination for tie-dye. I think मेरे पास सिर्फ blue and white है, so this was a nice change and also a very trendy one. This was for 499 rupees. It's from this brand called Fariano. I have to say I love the quality. It's very comfortable. मुझे इस top की थोड़ी sleeves उतनी पसंद नहीं है, especially this flare, but उसके अलावा I really like the style of it and it looks pretty cool. Plus tie-dye and colored liners look amazing together. Like this is going to be my favorite combination of all times. Next, I also got another option in tie-dye. I don't know मेरे दिमाग में tie-dye इतना क्यों चल रहा था. It's from this brand called Sava. It's a blue and white color tie-dye crop top again. This one was for 399 rupees. I got the size L and it still doesn't fit me. I don't know क्या गलत हुआ है इस ब्रांड के साथ. How can you make a L size which doesn't even fit me? इतना भी stretchy नहीं था कि मैं इसमें fit हो पाऊँ, तो I couldn't even wear it for you guys. I am definitely returning this, but it looked pretty nice. थोड़ा dark tie-dye था, indigo blue and sky blue का mix था. It would have looked really cute, and for 399 I thought it was a nice option because कपड़ा काफ़ी अच्छा है. It's a very nice comfortable cotton. It's just the sizing is so off. I mean, this is their L. This is most brands XS, so this was disappointing. But moving ahead to one of the cheapest items that I got in this haul, which is this black polyester Schizo brand का crop top. Now this has that tie-ups at the waist. इसीलिए मैंने खरीद लिया. I don't know if this is available. This is so damn cool. It looks amazing. I got the size M and it, as you can see, it fits me nicely. In fact, इसका crop top का length is pretty long. Like I have a long torso. उसके बाद भी ये मेरे almost belly button तक आ रहा था. मैंने काफ़ी high waisted denims पहनी है, तो उतना पता नहीं चल रहा. I had to actually crop the top. मतलब bra में घुसा के मैंने अपना top थोड़ा छोटा किया है ताकि मैं tie-ups भी दिखा पाऊँ. So it's a very अच्छा length वाला crop top that you can definitely go for. Keep it in your wish list. I highly recommend buying this top. I have to say ये cotton नहीं है, इसका material is polyester, but just for 200 rupees, I think I don't want to complain about it. It looks really cool. Another cool thing that I got is this graphic tee from, I don't know, I'll include the brand details here and the prices मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं है. They have a lot of cool, you know, sitcom वाली graphic tees, especially from Friends, and बहुत confusion के बाद I went ahead with this I am fine वाला because it's iconic. Also, it literally depicts my mood right now. A lot is going on and all I can say is I am fine. So yeah, कपड़ा material everything is good. I haven't washed it, मैं ज़्यादा कुछ कह नहीं सकती, but yeah, it definitely looks cool. I like the quality of the picture on it, like जो graphic लगाया गया, it's not cheap. I have bought cheap tees from Amazon. This is definitely not cheap. If graphic tees are your jam, definitely check them out. Okay, so I got another top from the same brand जिससे मैंने वो blue tie-dye top लिया था जो मुझे fit नहीं हुआ. Now this is a olive green body hugging trendy top. This one costed me 498 rupees. Now surprisingly this fits me really well. इसका कपड़ा भी is so good. It's actually very stretchable. ये मैंने blouse के purpose से लिया था. I feel like it's a very good crop top slash blouse sort of a design. मेरे लिए it's, oh wow, मेरे लिए it's definitely a blouse sort of a thing, but if you are comfortable with that much cleavage, and I feel थोड़ा cleavage ज़्यादा ही है, I'm not sure if I want to keep this or return it, but I definitely love the material used and it's very stretchy and it's very comfortable. I love the design, like वो छोटा सा जो hole है. I know you can see my bra in उस hole से, but ठीक है, just close your eyes, मेरे को नहीं पता. दिस वॉज फॉर 498 रुपीज़. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव लगा मुझे, बट द कपड़ा एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल, ट्रस्ट मी. आई फील लाइक ये ऑलिव ग्रीन विद ब्लैक net की साड़ी would look really sexy, so yeah, I liked it. Then we have another favorite from this haul, which is this very beautiful pastel green bodycon dress. This I got in size M, and this is just for 419 rupees. It's great. I love the material. I think this is a polyester mix material, and now this is not a very body hugging dress, so that's what I love about it. ऐसा नहीं कि हर एक curve एकदम accentuate हो जाएगा और दिखने लगेगा. I mean, I'm not wearing any tummy tucker with this dress इस try on में, and I feel like it looks very good. कोई बहुत ही body hugging dress होती that would have been very अजीब सा around my tummy. I know अभी मेरा belly button दिख रहा है and some people won't like it, but I just wanted to show कि ये बहुत body hugging नहीं है. It's very comfortable and I love the color. I think they have around 4 to 5 colors in this. 4 colors, and मुझे ये green color बहुत cute लग रहा था, so I went ahead with this. Highly recommend this dress as well. It's very good and it's just 419 rupees. I think the last item in fashion are going to be these heels that I got. I really wanted these transparent heel and transparent straps वाली heel, and मुझे ये मिल गई and I just bought them. Now I don't know why I bought the one जिसके जो sole है ना, इस पे एक snake print है. I do not like it. ये मेरे लिटरली आंखों को खटकता है, पर पता नहीं क्यों मैंने जल्दी जल्दी में ये वाला प्रिंट कर दिया. Let me just show you. I mean, I love everything about it except for this thing. And गलती ये हो गई, if you've seen my vlog जिसमें मैं क्लबिंग गई थी, उस दिन मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मेरे पास कोई भी अच्छी हील्स नहीं है. एंड उसी दिन ये पार्सल आया था and I just opened it and I wore it out. So I cannot exchange it for a different sole style as well. They do have 4 sole styles like black and grey and all. But ठीक है, I really like them. ये मुझे हल्की सी ढीली है, but if I manage to dance in these after having drinks, I think they deserve to be bought. I felt like ये हल्की सी ढीली है मुझे, but अगर मैं एक size down करूँगी then ये बहुत tight हो जाएंगी, तो it doesn't make sense. I am comfortable with this style and this size. Also, I feel like transparent heels make you look much more taller, like if you can see it in the trying on part. I mean, it's because it's transparent that लगता है कि you have endless legs, and I like that. I really like it. और इसकी heel is about 3.5 inches and it's very comfortable as well. I feel like I literally have no good pair of heels anymore. मेरे पास जितने थे वो boots थे जो मैंने Windows में खरीदे थे. Next, let's move to the beauty section. Number 1 is this castor oil. Now I used to swear by castor oil. कोरोना से पहले पुणे में भी और ट्रिवांड्रम में castor oil was my jam. I would use it every single time. Last I think मैंने Ray Naturals का ही castor oil order किया था. This time they had this squeezy bottle thing, like इसको कैप पे लगा के आराम से स्क्वीज करके बहुत आराम से आप अपने बालों में तेल लगा सकते हो. मुझे 320 में दोनों बॉटल्स मिल गई थी, तो इट्स अ ग्रेट डील एंड आई लव यूजिंग देम. ये मैंने खोला नहीं है बिकॉज मेरे पास एक पुराना रे नेचुरल्स का ऑलरेडी पड़ा हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाट आई यूज. ऑनेस्टली इस साल आई बिकेम सो लेजी कि मैंने बिल्कुल ऑयलिंग करना छोड़ दिया था, तो अब आई एम प्लानिंग टू गेट बैक टू माई रूटीन. नाउ लेट्स एड्रेस द एलिफेंट इन द रूम विच इज द लाइनर पॉपिंग ऑन माई आईज. आई डोंट नो स्क्रीन पे पॉप कर रहा है कि नहीं, बट जब मैं इंस्टा स्टोरीज बना रही थी इट जेन्युइनली पॉप्ड इन देम एंड आई रियली लाइक माई मेकअप टुडे. आई लव हाउ सिंपल एक वाइट लाइनर से मेरा पूरा लुक एलिवेट हो चुका है. प्लस वाइट लाइनर एंड टाई डाइड टॉप्स are a match made in heaven. So I bought not just one liner, I bought 4 liners. Now these ones are from Cuffs and Lashes. मेरी इन पे नजरें थी पिछले साल से when they launched, but I never bought them because I thought मैं क्या ही करूँगी लाइनर्स का. I do not even know how to do a wing liner properly. But this time I was like मैं लेने जा रही हूँ, जब तक मैं लूँगी तब तक मैं कुछ भी एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करूँगी. So yeah, I bought them. I bought 3 of these. Like the first one is white, purple and pink. I think इनके नाम are like Khaleesi, which I really love. GOT reference. This one is BTS Love because of purple. And the pink one is I think Gulabi something. Let me just check. It's Jaipur because of Pink City का reference. And yellow वाला मैंने अलग से full price पे खरीदा. I think I should stop obsessing over everything yellow because I think with दिमाग में येलो देखते ही आता है सीधे कि ये ले लेते हैं, अच्छा तेरे ब्रांड के साथ चला जाएगा, पता नहीं क्यों. I should stop doing that. But ठीक है, I think I might use this someday. कहीं ना कहीं तो मैं यूज़ कर लूँगी. But I think इन सब में से सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ तो मैं वाइट वाला ही करूँगी. I really like the pigmentation of it. I think सारे कलर्स का pigmentation is good except for yellow. I think yellow के साथ मुझे थोड़ा इशू हो सकता है but not a lot. I feel ठीक है वो भी. So मुझे ये 3 मिले 500 के और ये येलो वाला येलो वाला मुझे पड़ा 240 का, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट डील. बेसिकली 740 में आई गॉट 4 कलर्ड आई लाइनर्स, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट डील. इसका लाइनर ब्रश इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल. आई थिंक अगर मैंने फर्स्ट ट्राई में ये लाइनर कर लिया somehow, so anybody can do it. So yeah, definitely check out Cuffs and Lashes. I think उनकी और भी products हैं available on Amazon, so you can definitely check them out. Talking about makeup brushes, I bought something very expensive. I think this is the most expensive thing that from this haul. So I bought this acrylic makeup brush holder. I know it's huge and it's beautiful. ना मेरा बहुत पहले से आइडिया था that I will buy a very transparent सा cookie jar and उसके अंदर मैं पर्ल्स भर दूंगी and I'll keep my makeup brushes in that. I think मैंने ये कहीं Pinterest में DIY देखा था and तब से मैं एक बड़ा सा कुकी जार ढूंढ रही थी जिसका हेड इतना बड़ा हो कि आई कैन easily insert the brushes and take them out as well. And then last month मैंने मानसी माओ का favorites video देखा. She bought something like this from the Amazon, from the same brand. I think उनका size different था. I went for the biggest size available and this costed me 2200. I know थोड़ा expensive लग सकता है कुछ लोगों को, but the thing is makeup brushes are something that we YouTubers have to use every single time. And मेरे घर में बहुत धूल है यार, बहुत धूल है. मेरे घर में खुद कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, बाहर भी काम होता रहता है, पीछे भी काम होता रहता है, तो इतनी धूल उठती है कि मैं खुला इन मेकअप ब्रशेस को नहीं रख सकती. इसलिए थक हार के आई बॉट दीज. आई डू हैव वन कंप्लेन कि इन लोगों ने मुझे पर्ल्स थोड़े कम दिए हैं, तो मेरे ब्रशेस ना बहुत स्टेबल खड़े नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, उसमें वो गिर जा रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक आई कंप्लेन अबाउट दिस, बट आई जेन्युइनली लाइक इट. एंड इफ यू समबडी लाइक मी who is looking for a way to keep their makeup brushes secure and clean, I think you can go for this. इसका एक छोटू size भी है, that is for 1500 rupees. एक तो I can't believe I bought something this pretty for my vanity, जिसमें कोई जगह नहीं है रखने की. I have to clean my vanity as well. I wouldn't really suggest buying this because I think you can make this on your own as well. I mean, you just need an acrylic box बड़ा सा and उसके अंदर थोड़े pearls डाल लो या कुछ भी और डाल लो. So yeah, it's totally upon you. With this, we've come to the end of this video. Let me know which was your favorite item and if you found something really nice from this haul. Make the most out of the sale going on Amazon. I'll link all these items in the description box below. Now talking about the shout out of the video, so it goes to Shikha Singh. I'm glad you feel more confident about your body after watching me. I think हम लड़कियों ने अपने आप को इतना शेम कर दिया है, दूसरों को भी शेम कर दिया है. I think we really need to understand that different body shapes would look different in different outfits. I am glad that you find me relatable because of my body shape, and I'm so happy I could give you some sort of confidence. And thank you for this lovely comment. And yeah, in case you want a shout out in the next video, all you have to do is leave a comment below and I'll choose my favorite comment for the next video. And yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.